Consume 10 grams of turmeric daily and watch what happens in your body in just 4 hours. Turmeric has been baptized as the queen of spices. She boldly protects his name, bestowing many blessings upon the consuming one. By ingesting this golden root, his powers quickly begin to work. Turmeric is native to Asia and a member of the ginger family. The root provides the spice to be consumed, which is milled in powder or as a paste. If turmeric sounds strange to you, think of the bright yellow color of curry sauce and mustard. That's the turmeric, which is also the one that gives the vibrant flavor to the meals. The pigment curcumin is the main active compound in turmeric. It has potent anti-inflammatory effects. It is also a strong antioxidant, a micronutrient that blocks harmful chemical reactions. It has 5 times the protective power of vitamin C, and turmeric has high concentrations of iron, manganese and potassium. It is also a good source of vitamin B6 and fiber. Now look at what happens to your body if you consume 10 grams of turmeric daily. 1. Balances sugars in the blood. Curcumin moderates insulin. This hormone helps the body use glucose from food. By balancing blood sugar, turmeric improves the effectiveness of diabetes medications. It also reduces insulin resistance. 2. Weight loss. Turmeric reduces the density of fatty tissue by reducing cholesterol, triglycerides, glucose and fat in the liver. Growth of fat cells slows down. It also speeds up thermogenesis. This is the process of burning fat to regulate body temperature. Turmeric lowers the level of the stress hormone cortisol. This chemical causes the body to retain fat. Reducing cortisol promotes weight loss. 3. Improves digestion. Curcumin helps the gallbladder to release bile and break down fat. In Germany, turmeric is commonly prescribed to treat digestive problems. It reduces the frequency of outbreaks of colitis by calming intestinal inflammation. It also relieves heartburn by neutralizing